Hi friends, welcome to Guru Shishya YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to start 7th class 6th lesson Vijayanagara Empire important bits. First question is, which two kingdoms emerged when Muhammad bin Tughlaq was losing his power in Deccan? Option A, Bahmani and Kakatiya kingdom. Option B, Kakatiya and Maurya Empire. Option C, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom. Option D, Bahmani and Mauryan kingdom. Which two kingdoms emerged when Muhammad bin Tughlaq was losing his power in Deccan? And the answer is option C, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom. When Muhammad bin Tughlaq was losing his power, Vijayanagara and Bahmani kingdom emerged. Second question, statement A. Hampi was the second largest city in the world during the 14th to 15th century. Statement B. Tenali Ramakrishna, Durjati, Pingali Suranna belong to period of Vijayanagara Empire. Option A, both the statements are true. Option B, both the statements are false. Option C, statement A is true and B is false. Option D, statement A is false and B is true. And the answer is option A, both the statements are true. Statement A lo emicharu, Hampi is the second largest city in the world during the 14th to 15th centuries. Yes, this statement is correct. Second statement lo emundi, Tenali Ramakrishna, Durjati, Pingali Suranna belong to period of Vijayanagara Empire. This statement is also correct. So answer is option A. Both the statements are true. Tenali Ramakrishna, Durjati and Pingali Suranna belong to which empire and adigite answer will be Vijayanagara Empire. They belong to Vijayanagara Empire. Third question, what is the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom? Option A, Hampi. Option B, Orugallu. Option C, Dwarasamudra. Option D, Devagiri. What is the capital of Vijayanagara kingdom? Answer is option A, Hampi. The capital of Vijayanagara kingdom is Hampi. Who founded the Vijayanagara kingdom? The Vijayanagara kingdom, it was founded by the Bukkaraya brothers. It was founded by Bukkaraya brothers. Fourth question, Harihara Raya, Bukkaraya belong to which dynasty? Option A, Saluva. Option B, Sangama. Option C, Aravidu. Option D, Tuluva. Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya belong to which dynasty? And the answer is option B, Sanghama dynasty. They belong to Sanghama dynasty. Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya, they are the founders of the Vijayanagara Empire. They are the founders of Vijayanagara Empire. Fifth question, the Vijayanagara's capital is in the present state of option A, Hampi. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Orugallu. Option D, Karnataka. The Vijayanagara's capital is in the present state of, and the answer is option D, Karnataka. The Vijayanagara's capital, it is in the present state of Karnataka. What is the Vijayanagara's capital? Hampi. Where Hampi is situated anesi question. Where Hampi is situated? Answer will be option D, Karnataka. Vijayanagara Empire ni 4 dynasties rule chesayi. What are those 4 dynasties? The first dynasty is Sanghama dynasty. Second is Saluva dynasty. Third, Tuluva. Fourth, Aravidu dynasty. The first dynasty is Sanghama dynasty. And Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya belong to Sanghama dynasty. Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya, they belong to Sanghama dynasty and they are the founders of the Vijayanagara Empire. They are the founders of Vijayanagara Empire. Sixth question, in which kingdom both the brothers served as ministers? Option A, Kampali kingdom. Option B, Kakatiya kingdom. Option C, Mauryan kingdom. Option D, Mughals kingdom. In which kingdom both the brothers served as ministers? And the answer is option A, Kampali kingdom. Vijayanagara Empire establish చేయక ముందు వాళ్ళు ఏ kingdom లో పనిచేసేవాళ్ళు అంటే Kampali kingdom లో ministers గా పనిచేసేవాళ్ళు. ఇక్కడ both the brothers అంటే ఎవరు? Harihara Raya and Bukkaraya, both brothers, they served in the Kampali kingdom as the ministers. Seventh question, the Delhi Sultanate who invaded the Kakatiya kingdom is option A, Iltutmish. Option B, Babur. Option C, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Option D, Kutubuddin Aibak. The Delhi Sultanate who invaded the Kakatiya kingdom is, and the answer is option C, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He invaded the Kakatiya kingdom. He belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to Tughlaq dynasty. Qutbuddin Aibak, he belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to slave dynasty. Babur, he is from Mughal. Babur, he is from Mughal. Iltutmish, he is also from the slave dynasty. He is also from the slave dynasty. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమడిగారు? ద ఢిల్లీ సల్తనేట్ హూ ఇన్వేడెడ్ ది కాకతీయ కింగ్డమ్ ఈజ్. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ సి, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He invaded the Kakatiya kingdom. 8th question. Who encouraged the Bukkaraya brothers for promoting the Hinduism and establishing the Sangham dynasty? Option A, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option B, Sadhu Vidyaranya Maharshi. Option C, Krishna Devaraya. Option D, Gondiana. Who encouraged the Bukkaraya brothers for promoting the Hinduism and establishing the Sangham dynasty? And the answer is option B, Sadhu Vidyaranya Maharshi. He encouraged the Bukkaraya brothers and helped in establishing the Sangham dynasty. Sadhu Vidyaranya Maharshi, he encouraged the Bukkaraya brothers in promoting the Hinduism and establishing the Sangham dynasty. 9th question. Vijayanagara Empire was established in the year. Option A, 1636 CE. Option B, 1536 CE. Option D, 1436 CE. Option D, 1336 CE. Vijayanagara Empire was established in the year. Answer is option D, 1336 CE. The Vijayanagara Empire, it was established in the year 1336 CE. And what is the capital of Vijayanagara Empire? The capital of Vijayanagara Empire is Hampi. 10th question. Who is the first Surveyor General of India? Option A, Lord Cornwallis. Option B, Colonel Colin Mackenzie. Option C, Thomas Munro. Option D, Wellesley. Who is the first Surveyor General of India? And the answer is option B, Colonel Colin Mackenzie. He is the first Surveyor General of India. హంపి శిథిలాలు ఇతని కాలంలోనే బయటపడ్డాయి ఇన్ ది ఇయర్ 1805. బిఫోర్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇన్ కేస్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు దిస్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అండ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో. 11th question. Who destroyed the Madurai Sultans? Option A, Krishnadevaraja. Option B, Harihararaya. Option C, Kumara Kampana. Option D, Bukkaraya I. Who destroyed the Madurai Sultans? And the answer is option C, Kumara Kampana. He destroyed the Madurai Sultan. Who is Kumara Kampana? He is the son of Bukkaraya. Kumara Kampana, he is the son of Bukkaraya and he destroyed the Madurai Sultans. 12th question. The dispute between the Vijayanagara Empire and Bahmani Kingdom related to this region. Option A, Raichur Doab. Option B, Ganga Yamuna Doab. Option C, Hampi. Option D, all the above. The dispute between the Vijayanagara Empire and the Bahmani Kingdom related to this region. And the answer is option A, Raichur Doab. Vijayanagara Empire and Bahmani Kingdom ki ఏ రీజియన్ కోసం డిస్ప్యూట్ జరిగింది అంటే Raichur Doab రీజియన్ కోసం డిస్ప్యూట్ జరిగింది. 13th question. Who has the title of Praudha Devaraya? Option A, Devaraya II. Option B, Bukkaraya. Option C, Kumara Kampana. Option D, Harihararaya. Who has the title of Praudha Devaraya? And the answer is option A, Devaraya II. Devaraya II, he has the title of Praudha Devaraya. Here the famous kings of Sangama dynasty are given. Harihararaya I, Bukkaraya I, Harihararaya II and Devaraya II. They are the famous kings of the Sanghama dynasty. We know that Harihararaya and Bukkaraya, they are the founders of the Sanghama dynasty. They are the founders of Sanghama dynasty. Devaraya II. Devaraya II, he had the title of Praudha Devaraya. He had the title of Praudha Devaraya. Devaraya II, he is the greatest ruler of the Sanghama dynasty. Who is the greatest ruler of Sanghama dynasty? Devaraya II, he is the greatest ruler of the Sanghama dynasty. 14th question. Devaraya II defeated the Dash army and annexed Kondaveedu. Option A, Maratha army. Option B, Kalinga. Option C, Bahmani. Option D, all the above. Devaraya II defeated the Dash army and annexed Kondaveedu. And the answer is option B, Kalinga army. Devaraya II, he defeated the Kalinga army and he annexed the Kondaveedu. And he established his authority up to Rajamandri. Up to Rajamandri he established his authority. 15th question. Which Bahmani Sultan defeated the Devaraya II? Option A. Ahmad Shah. Option B. Firoz Shah. Option C. Muhammad Shah. Option D. Balban. Which Bahmani Sultan defeated the Devaraya II? And the answer is option A. Ahmad Shah defeated the Devaraya II. Devaraya II, he is the greatest ruler of the Sanghama dynasty and he had a title of Praudha Devaraya. Devaraya II ni evaru odincharu? Ahmad Shah. 16th question. The Saluva dynasty is founded by the option A. Narasimharaya, option B. Aliya Ramaraya, option C. Devaraya, option D. Immadi Narasimharaya. The Saluva dynasty is founded by, and the answer is option A. Narasimharaya, he founded the Saluva dynasty. Devaraya, he belonged to Sanghama dynasty. Devaraya, he belonged to Sanghama dynasty. 17th question. The third dynasty of the Vijayanagara empire is option A. Tuluva dynasty, option B. Sanghama dynasty, option C. Saluva dynasty, option D. Aravidu dynasty. The third dynasty of the Vijayanagara empire is, and the answer is option A. Tuluva dynasty. The third dynasty is Tuluva dynasty. The first dynasty is the Sanghama dynasty. Second one is Saluva dynasty. Third is Tuluva dynasty. Aravidu dynasty is the last dynasty of the Vijayanagara empire. It is the last dynasty of the Vijayanagara empire. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమడిగారు? ద థర్డ్ డైనాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ది విజయనగర ఎంపైర్ ఈజ్, ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ. 18th క్వశ్చన్. శ్రీకృష్ణ దేవరాయ బిలాంగ్ టు విచ్ డైనాసిటీ? ఆప్షన్ ఏ తులువ, ఆప్షన్ బి కాకతీయ, ఆప్షన్ సి సంఘమ, ఆప్షన్ డి మగధ. శ్రీకృష్ణ దేవరాయ బిలాంగ్ టు విచ్ డైనాసిటీ? అండ్ ది ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ తులువ డైనాసిటీ. హూ ఫౌండెడ్ ది తులువ డైనాసిటీ? వీర నరసింహ. Veera Narasimha, he founded the Tuluva dynasty and Sri Krishna Devaraya belonged to this dynasty. 19th question. Statement 1. Sri Krishna Devaraya was the good administrator. Statement 2. He possessed great military ability. Option A. Statement 1 is false and 2 is true. Option B. Statement 1 is true and 2 is false. Option C. Both the statements are true. Option D. Both the statements are false. And the answer is option C. Both the statements are true. Sri Krishna Devaraya, he was a good administrator and he possessed the greater military ability. 20th question. In which battle the Muslim armies were decisively defeated in the hands of Sri Krishna Devaraya? Option A. Battle of Panipat. Option B. Battle of Divani. Option C. Battle of Kalinga. Option D. Both B and C. In which battle the Muslim armies were decisively defeated in the hands of Krishna Devaraya? And the answer is option B. Battle of Divani. In the Battle of Divani, the Muslim armies, they were defeated in the hands of Sri Krishna Devaraya. 21st question. The minister and the military commander of the Sri Krishna Devaraya is option A. Timmarusu. Option B. Durjati. Option C. Allasani Peddana. Option D. Tenali Ramakrishna. The minister and the military commander of the Sri Krishna Devaraya is, and the answer is option A. Timmarusu. Timmarusu, he is the minister and the military commander of the Sri Krishna Devaraya. Sri Krishna Devaraya, he belonged to which dynasty? Tuluva dynasty. 22nd question. Sri Krishna Devaraya maintained the friendly relations with option A. Arabs and French. Option B. Portuguese and French. Option C. Dutch and Arabs. Option D. Arabs and Portuguese. Sri Krishna Devaraya maintained the friendly relations with, and the answer is option D. Arabs and Portuguese. He maintained the friendly relations with the Arabs and Portuguese. 23rd question. Allasani Peddana was called as option A. Andhra Bhoja. Option B. Andhra Kavita Pitamahudu. Option C. Praudha Devaraya. Option D. Mahamandaleshwara. Allasani Peddana was called as, and the answer is option B. Andhra Kavita Pitamahudu. The title of Allasani Peddana is Andhra Kavita Pitamahudu. Andrabhoja is the title of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Prauda Devaraya, it is the title of Devaraya II. Mahamandaleshwara, it is the title of Ganapati Deva. He is the ruler of Kakatiya. Kakatiya's ruler Ganapati Deva, he had the title of Mahamandaleshwara. Question lo emadigaru, Allasani Peddana was called as Andhra Kavita Pitamahudu. 24th question, the books written by Krishna Devaraya is option A Usha Parinayam, option B Amukta option C Jambavati Kalyanam, option D all the above. The books written by the Sri Krishna Devaraya is, and the answer is option D all the above. Usha Parinayam, Amukta Malyadam and Jambavati Kalyanam are the books written by the Sri Krishna Devaraya. 25th question, a new city built by Devaraya on the memory of Mother Nagalamba is option A Nagalapuram, option B Orugallu, option C Narsapuram, option D none. A new city built by Devaraya on the memory of Mother Nagalamba is, and the answer is option A Nagalapuram. Sri Krishna Devaraya, he built Nagalapuram on the memory of his mother Nagalamba. Who is the mother of Sri Krishna Devaraya? Nagalamba is the mother of Sri Krishna Devaraya. And Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa ani cheppina varevaru ante Sri Krishna Devaraya. Desha Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa ani cheppina varu kuda Sri Krishna Devaraya. 26th question, the administrative units of Vijayanagara's empire is option A Mandalas and Nadus, option B Sthalas and Gramas, option C both A and B, option D none. The administrative units of Vijayanagara's empire is, and the answer is option C both A and B. Mandalas and Nadus, Sthalas and Gramas are the administrative units of the Vijayanagara's empire. 27th question, authors and books are given. Durjati. The book written by Durjati is Sri Kalahastishwara Mahatyam. Ramaraja Bhushan, he wrote Vasucharitra. Pingali Suranna, he wrote Raghava Pandiyam. Nandi Timmana, he wrote Parijatapaharanam. He wrote Parijatapaharanam. 28th question. The governor of Mandala is called as option A Nayak, option B Mandaleshwara, option C Nayankaras, option D both A and C. 29th question. Statement 1. Land revenue was fixed generally as 1/6 of produce. Statement 2. The top grade officers of army were known as Palegards or Nayaks. Option A. Both of the statements are true. Option B. Both the statements are false. Option C. Statement 1 is true and 2 is false. Option D. Statement 1 is false and 2 is true. And the answer is option A. Both of the statements are true. The land revenue was fixed generally as 1/6 of produce. Yes, this statement is correct. Second statement lo emicharu, the top grade officers of army were known as Palegards or Nayaks. This statement is also correct. So answer is option A. Both the statements are true. 30th question. The famous Telugu women poets during the period of Vijayanagara is option A Allasani Peddana, option B Molla, option C Durjati, option D Nagalamba. The famous Telugu women poets during the period of Vijayanagara is, and the answer is option B Molla. The famous Telugu women poets during the period of Vijayanagara are Tallapaka Timmakka and Molla. Who is Nagalamba? Nagalamba is the mother of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Nagalamba, mother of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Who is Nagalamba? Nagalamba is the mother of Sri Krishna Devaraya. ఈ వీడియోని ఈ క్వశ్చన్తో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో దీనికి కంటిన్యూషన్ పార్ట్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. ఇన్ కేస్ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు దిస్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. Thank you for watching and keep supporting.